as I dive into the hidden world of snorkeling and try to discover the most amazing underwater secrets. Snorkeling is an incredible adventure that awaits beneath the surface of the ocean, full of beauty and excitement, where you can explore a whole new world that's hidden from our everyday lives. Many people think snorkeling is only for experienced divers or that it's too complicated for beginners, but that's not true. Snorkeling is for anyone who's curious about the ocean and its inhabitants. Some believe you need to be a strong swimmer to snorkel, but that's a misconception, as you can snorkel in shallow waters or even just float on the surface. The truth is, snorkeling is accessible to everyone, regardless of age or skill level. People often think they need expensive gear to start snorkeling, but the basics are relatively affordable and easy to find. Snorkeling locations can be found all around the world, from the Caribbean to the Great Barrier Reef, each with its own unique marine life and landscapes. To get started, you'll need a mask, snorkel, and fins, and it's essential to choose gear that fits properly and is comfortable to use. When you're just starting out, it's a good idea to snorkel in calm, shallow waters, where you can get used to the gear and the feeling of being in the water. The Great Barrier Reef is one of the most famous snorkeling spots, with its incredible array of fish and coral, and the Bahamas are known for their crystal-clear waters and diverse marine life. As you gain more experience, you can start to explore more challenging locations, like shipwrecks or coral reefs. Always remember to respect the marine environment and never touch or disturb the coral or other sea creatures. I remember my first snorkeling experience like it was yesterday. I was in the Red Sea, and I saw a sea turtle swimming right next to me, its shell glistening in the sunlight. It was such an incredible feeling, being able to share the water with this amazing creature. Another time, I was snorkeling in the Caribbean, and I saw a stingray buried in the sand, its eyes watching me as I swam by. These experiences have had a profound impact on my appreciation for marine life and the importance of preserving our oceans. As I continued to snorkel, I began to notice the intricate details of the underwater world, the way the light filters down from above, the colors of the fish and coral, and the sounds of the ocean. It's a truly magical world, and one that I feel incredibly lucky to have experienced. My snorkeling adventures have taken me to some of the most beautiful places on Earth, and I've seen things that I never could have imagined. The key to a great snorkeling experience is to be prepared, to respect the ocean and its